The purpose of this video is to give you a sneak peek at the Texas Education Agency's Special Education EC-12 exam questions. So this manual has an overview of the exam itself. It covers the different domains, the standards, and the competencies within the 4 domains. It also includes how to approach the different multiple choice question formats. All right. And then it provides an answer sheet, a study sheet, and other resources. If you are going to be, if you're going to be certified as a special education instructor, then this is going to be one of the exams you're going to be taking. This one is 5 hours. It is computer administered, and it has 150 multiple choice questions. Your PPR exam will be 100 and also be 5 hours in terms of your time limit, and will be computer administered as well. Here are the domains. There are 4 domains that you're going to be needing to be familiar with, as well as the competencies and standards that fall under these domains. The top 2 most weighted ones are promoting student learning and development, and promoting student achievement in ELAR, English Language Arts and Reading, and in mathematics. And then foundations and professional roles and responsibilities, your PPR, that follows, and the one that has the least weight in terms of how much percentage of the test is on that particular domain is the number 1, understanding individuals with disabilities and evaluating their needs. So I will have a link to this particular PDF that you can access through TEA for you to look over so that you can become familiar with the standards. You can look at the domains. You can look at those teaching competencies. And then each week I'll post some questions that fall under each domain and competency. You can discuss them in the discussion board with your classmates, give your whys as to why you've chosen the answer you did, and hopefully engage in some meaningful discourse with your classmates on how to respond to these questions. And that will be a really good practice for you all.